So today I'm going to be going over one of the best and strongest options for mounting your 360 camera to your bike like this, allowing you to capture awesome 360 footage just like this. So what exactly am I using to achieve this setup? Well, starting off with the camera, I'm using the Insta360 X5. On that, I have got a cage. The main reason for the cage is so if it does come off or if it gets hit by anything, it doesn't get too battered. And there is also a 1/8" screw hole on the bottom, which I use to mount to the selfie stick. Now this selfie stick is the Insta360 own brand carbon fiber one. I think it goes out to something crazy like 3 meters. Not that you're ever going to have it out that far anyway, but the main reason for using this carbon fiber 360 one is because of the diameter of the pole at the bottom, which I'll get onto in a second. But this 360 carbon one is also the strongest and sturdiest and the longest, so it gives you the most amount of options and room to play about with. So the main start of the show are these two Lightbar clamps down here. Now originally they were Lightbar clamps used on trucks and off-road cars. However, I did see somebody online who was using these. They were also gatekeeping them, so I found them myself on AliExpress and Amazon, and now I'm sharing them with you today. So they just screw into the passenger foot peg holes, and then it clamps around the 360 carbon pole. And the carbon pole has a larger diameter, which is more fitting for the clamps. The clamps do come with reducers, so you could use the thin little selfie stick ones that come with the camera. However, I found there is way too much flex in these, and of course, with the shorter selfie sticks, you cannot get them out far enough to get good footage. So there you go, that's how to build one of the best 360 camera setups for your bike right now. I've tested a lot of methods and I found this to be the sturdiest. The only thing that I'd probably do to make it a little bit sturdier is cable tie it to your tail tidy. That way it's pulled in a little bit and you won't get as much side to side flex. Of course, it's not perfect. You still get some vertical bobbing as well, but it's a carbon pole. It's not like a steel scaffolding pole. Of course, there's going to be a little bit of flex, especially on these lovely UK roads where there's a pothole every 5 seconds. So if you did find this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing as well. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to check out all the new merch available at ezapparel.shop. We've got this awesome hoodie and then 3 new t-shirt prints as well. This helmet sticker and a keychain alongside all of the other stuff on the site. So please check it out and I'll see you next time.